Hey guys, it's Tim with Tim's Tech. Today we will be installing Linux on this HP DC 5850 desktop PC. First, what we're going to need to do is put the CD in the CD drive, turn it on, put it in there real quick. Then we got to find out what button we need to press at boot up so we can boot from our CD. But I've already put my CD in the CD drive ahead of time. So let's turn this on, boot it up. Let's get to the monitor. In my case, I'll need to press F9 when it comes up. F9. Getting a little message here. That's okay. Go ahead and press F1. It'll load. F9. There's my CD. It should load. It'll load. Turn my mouse on here. There we go. We can see it's loading Linux Mint. This may take a while since it's booting from live CD. Still loading. Come back when it's loaded. Oh, here we go. Now we're getting somewhere. Should load the desktop here in a couple seconds, couple minutes, or about a minute or so. Depends. Come back when nope, on the logon screen. It's going to take a few seconds to load up. Okay guys, we're back. I got Linux loaded. What I did was click this little CD icon to install Linux Mint. Now we're here at the main window. We can go English. I'm going to click continue. Let's erase the disk and install Linux Mint. Continue. New York, I want Los Angeles time zone. Excuse me. Because we're in Pacific. There we go. Continue. Let it load. On English. In English, US. Continue. Let that load. Okay, now we gotta put our information in. Choose a password. Let's go. Retype the password. Looks like they don't match. I gotta turn my caps lock off. Looks like. So let's put it in again. Oh, now it's good. I'll go log in automatically. Now let's hit continue. Now it's going to install the files and the whole system. We'll come back when it's done. Okay guys, we're back. Just finished. This installation was finished. Continue testing, restart. We're going to restart. Then I'll show you all the specs on it. Modified it a little bit. Took a hard drive out. This will soon come up, eject media, which means eject the CD. There you go. Please remove installation medium and press enter. So I'm going to take that out. Enter. And now it'll be rebooting. And here we go. We're off. Let's do this. Don't know. Now we're on the splash screen here. Can't really see that too well, but it's Linux Mint. Now we got our mouse. Should be loading. Since it's an older computer, it'll be a little slow, but there we go. Now we're at the desktop. Let's go take a look at our specifications here. Let's go into the menu. Let's go. What is this? Settings. System info. We got Linux Mint 18 Cinnamon 64-bit. You got AMD Sempron processor. You got 2.3 gigs of memory, a terabyte hard drive. And advanced micro devices, AMD Radeon. And that's how you install Linux. Fully working Linux for whatever you need. Thank you for watching. Please hit like, subscribe to the channel, and tell your friends.